Good morning, my people. How are you, my people? I'm in Kisii, my people. I'm in Kisii. Just look, green, very green vegetables, very green. I told you, whatever you plant here, it comes. Look. This is green vegetables. Look at this. Look. Yeah, we plant everything and it grows. The lane is always look how the place is very green. The place is very green. Yeah, we have got maize growing. Everything we plant here, it grows. It grows, my people. I'm happy to be in Kisii, where you plant everything and you harvest. Very nice place. Look at trees in Kisii. Look at trees. Very nice. I really enjoy to be here. Oh, I'm from Kisii, Nyakoe Mosocho. If you are just near that place, I'm at home, come and say hi to me, my friends. This is Nduko Original. Love you, my people. Let's keep on supporting one another. Thank you for those who are still subscribing for my channel. I honor you. I really appreciate you. You mean a lot to me. I thank you. I really thank you. I love you. Let's keep on holding our hands and grow together. Bye, my people. Bye.